Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are trying to solve this two set where we are going to make rules method to roster method. As we know, set can be represent these two method. Let's start. This is very important math for you. Before starting this math, if you think this video is okay for you, please subscribe my channel. Now look, here saying b equals to x such that x is a divisible of 28 using a roster method. So first, what can we do? Here 28 we can write like this: 1 times 28, it means 28, 2 times 14, also 28, 3 not possible, 4 not possible, 5 not possible, 4 is possible, 4 times 7 is a 28. So 28 we can represent or we can factorize 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. So we can write like this. So factor of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Okay. Hence, the desired set is b equals to 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28, and this is a roster method. It was a set builders method and this is a roster method. Okay, so number 1 done. Number 2, express x as that x positive integer and x equals to less than 18 using roster method. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4 dot 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 is a what? Are positive integer. Right? Here is no negative thing and no fraction. So here if x equals to 1, then x square equals to 1 square equals to 1. Here condition okay. For what? X square less than 18. 1 square means 1, 1 is less than 18. X equals to 2, then x square equals to 2 square equals to 4. Here condition also okay. X equals to 3, then square equals to 3 square equals to 9. Here also condition okay because 9 is less than 18. X equals to 4, then x square equals to 4 square equals to 16. Here also condition okay. X equals to 5, then x square equals to 5 square equals to 25. Here condition is not okay. X square here greater than 18, but our target is up to that number where x square less than 18, but 25 is not less than 18. 25 is greater than 18, right? So in this case we can write, so as per condition, the acceptable positive integer are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the given set is, so the given set equals to, given set it represents C, right? We can check again, yes, it's represent C. So we can write C equals to set 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, our question is answer solved. This is very easy and important. If you have faced any problem, please write a line in the comments box, and if you think it's helping you, please share with your friends, and don't forget subscribe the channel. Thank you.